new snowboard boots. I've got narrow feet, so I've been recommended some 32s. We have the double BOA Stevens TM2 here in grey and yellow, UK 11. Instructions on the inside. Got to a perfect fit. Take out the heel holding kit. These look pretty nice with that grey and yellow combo. Nice tread on the bottom. 32. Loosen those out. Do the same there as well. The internal liner lacing doesn't go all the way up to the top. It stops just above the ankle. I've got narrow heels as well. So looking inside the liner, you can see that V shape with the padding there. That should grip the back of my heel well as well. Just to give you an idea of narrow feet, so just underneath my toes where the bone starts along the left hand side, I'm about just over 10.5 centimeters there, which is around just under 4.5 inches. If you do have narrow feet and ankles like me, make sure you push the collar not only against your leg but also down so it fits along the curvature of your ankle as well. Same goes with the outer as well. Push it back and also down across the curvature of your ankle. Side to tighten, push in. Definitely no heel lift there at all. You do have flexibility with the sides because this is not connected with the bottom. I'll leave a link to them down below, but I would recommend you get to a store and try them out. If you can't, then order online with a place that's got a good returns policy.